Hello friends, hope everyone is fine. In today's video we are going to see how to insert the GIF image in PowerPoint. If you have the doubts how you created that thing, so just I'll open the drive and I'll select one folder where you are going to do just right click, going to create a folder like PPT. I'll name that. Inside that folder just I'll open right click, I'll new and go to PowerPoint. Yes, PPT I'll give as one, just I'll rename it, enter, and you can open that PowerPoint, right? So this step until I'll choose the blank slide. So I already downloaded that image, just I'll right click, copy, and I'll paste in that. Yes, so like this I done actually. So slideshow, so you'll get the slide like this. Thank you. Many of them ask the doubt how you created this slide. Actually I didn't create the slide, just I download. I'll tell how I done, just I'll save it. For this you need a net connection. Check whether you have net connection. Yes, I have net connection. So make sure that that you have net connection. Just open the Chrome, Google. Just I'll type thank you and then GIF, right? See here, from here only I downloaded the image, the image. This is one of the image. So you can download so many images. Just you want to select the image, all image, videos, book, like that, it is there, right? There you want to select the image, and after thank you you have to give GIF. Okay, so I'll insert another slide. Yes, so GIF means graphical interchange format. The expansion is graphical interchange format. There will be some movement in the image. So from here I'll select one of the image. See, I'll select this image. Just you want to wait. See the movement here, right? So you can download this, that is just right click, save image as, that option is there, right? Just click that. So it will ask where you want to save. So I want to save inside this folder actually. So if you want to save somewhere, just you can select from the drive. So you want to rename for that picture, means you can rename it here like this. So you can give backspace and you can delete and you can update, and you need to save. Yes, just I'll minimize it. Where I saved is inside the folder right here. Yes, so now you can right click and you can copy and you can go to the slide. Just select the second slide or where you want, just Control V to paste. Yes, just slideshow. Yes, it's working, right? So I'll give escape and escape key, right? Then you can extend the slide. See, like this you can extend the image. It's very simple. See now slideshow. Yes, wow, it's working, right? Yeah. So like this, in Chrome you can download the images what you want. If you want a good morning message, there is a, just you type good morning and GIF. Okay, you should not forget to give GIF and then enter. Yeah, fine, right? For example, from here another one example will see. I'll need this image, just select this image. So here you want to wait till it need to download or upload, right? So download. Now it is ready. Now just right click and you can save image as, and you want to select, just you wait, and you want to select the folder. If you want to rename, you can rename as good morning, and you can save that. Alright, easy download, right? Now you can select that folder where you saved. See here, the image what we download was saved inside this folder, right? Now you can right click and you can copy this, okay? Or else the shortcut key is also there. Just select this, Ctrl C from your keyboard, just select the PPT, and if you want to insert at the front, just you click here, that orange line is there, no? Just press enter key and just you can right click and you can, that is Ctrl V, we are using shortcut, right? So Ctrl V to paste. Now you can extend that. Yeah, fine. We'll see in the slideshow. Yes, wow, it's working, right? So like this you can download the images, okay, and you can insert in the PPT. Yeah, fine. I hope your doubt is clear. So you can also download the images and you can try in your PPT and you can enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet on next video.